me unofficial PROs for teachers and nurses. President Mahama buy in the first time I'm 10%. And umusum. And this year, you're 9% on my sum. But you see, I always say that when you are dealing with people, deal with people. Now, first time we cut through, but me the respected Justice of the Supreme Court, Justice Yoni Kolende, will tell you who are the kanda. To me check in as a kanda, you know, correct, and I to be true. Aluta 9% in the back the phrase and then these communicators, the Edenante. Oh, inflation a single day gets any idea. They forgot say we don't use inflation for 1 month to do analysis. You have to use the average inflation for the year. And certainly, Osha Ghana may be free, but the average inflation for the year will certainly be more than 9%. Yeah. The current inflation assessment rate. Yeah. I look at me who will tell or say, Alliance women on the Bay Pan. Ghana water tariffs are by 15.9%. Okay. Electricity are by 9.8%. Effective January 2026. It's answer na teacher ni ni crab ko new year ni no. Say 200 cedis na be kind of salary on aje. Okay. Transport am I? Food am I? Yeah. But Aluta, what am I saying? Say we need to do something fundamentally first before we even talk about increment of tariffs. Okay. Sure. We a mid-year tariff review, whatever that means. PULC, Ama Ghana water and electricity coins from onto tariff mono. And when you know so be mujinaye. Okay. So I saw a little bit in Bibia. And I was sorry, you stood there because you are coming to work. That's it. I was stood there because I'm coming to work. Yeah. When we turn to me, it clearly tells you that the point may could be a year. So they are always indicators or reflectors for something. Yeah. And then say only about 5 days into it's normal. A little harder. The 5 legs, the first one I'm kind of say the regulated asset base of the utilities were valued for the period 2026 to 2030 to allow the utilities to meet their asset investment requirements. These rates shall therefore remain in force over a 5-year period spanning 2026-2030. Yeah. It's almost say, almost person peja companies no mu ye duru gira mo na so ye no ntu no moto tariff nim me bo asa brofo ka kana tie no. 2 no say there shall however be quarterly reviews to these rates adjusted for factors beyond the control of the utility service providers. These factors are the Ghana cedi, the US dollar, the Ghana cedi US dollar relationship, Ghana's inflation rate, generation mix between hydro and thermal, as well as the cost of. We must say you have to 2 year niema na etutum na niema mi en 7 year gina so. $7 ho den. Ghana your inflation, your generation mix and the natural gas na your cotton. Aluteti or say these quarterly reviews were undertaken to maintain the real value of the tariffs, thereby keeping the utility service provider financially viable. For saying, you can't financially viable. You have to say no mubenya. So musika sem jina brand. I like the word. Yeah. Last one, I'll say other policy decisions such as inclusion of mini grids were considered in the adjustment to allow for universal electricity access in the country. Send a gun, the baby will be a electricity. See a coverage about 90%. And that's it, bro. Free dia. Send the baby American more fees, less appropriation. Don't care the pan. Yeah. And say 3 factors. ECG be branding. Financially, you bet me making sure by 2030 no mu jam pen so beboa you be improving access near there and then you ECG nko ma me nyina ho. So you ask yourself that the factors that ECG are talking about, they themselves, how have they performed because of time I looked at a very big Ghana Energy Commission omoye report on ECG, right? Yeah. Now they be on the case man Musana Bamiama be can cabinet saying, oh, ECG revenue generation costro. Yes. ECG another be amicators. Almost a revenue generation costra. 2022 ECG period almost on my digitalization. Now no more revenue no costro. But you ask yourself between that period and now, what has been the tariff adjustment within that period? Because there are 2 things. Yeah. So revenue costra. It does what to 20 mana or 20 bunim. And also what did you but because I am not privy to your internal mechanisms, I can only stand on data to say, you can't say ECG revenue cost. I don't think it's largely digitalization. It's a tariff increment. What am I saying, Joshua? As we speak, Your free be technical and commercial losses. I had a comfort zone. Ghana Energy Commission can in album say distribution losses. You cut technical losses, say in a chair. Power that disappears on the way because of old or inefficient equipment. Also, Ghana actually a generation mix now. You have 3 components. You have IPPs and a VRA. You have Gridco Ghana Grid Company and you have ECG Netco and then you have Tema Enclave. I do that here. It's IPPs and a VRA in the generating Yamahodeno. No more the Ama Gridco, not Gridco, so they are found remember my ECG, ECG at Tnaso, and also was stepping it down on their buy fee. It's almost say if you didn't power and a famous and a better ECG one. Se fidie nya papa na power ni bobro ni ka dissipate e bi tete fa ho e pe fa ho se se pipe paya wo senso ni bi nyum fa ho sa na nyum fa ho ni nya na bobro ni ka na technical losses and ye wo commercial losses or say power that is used and not paid for often due to TNO illegal connection, faulty meters and poor billing. This is what the digitalization was supposed to track, because digitalization will make you know who is selling power.
Na poor billing, no, who is supposed to bill?
So if indeed you've done digitalization and it's materialized, it can cure, because digitalization will make you know even normal Wi-Fi. Also Wi-Fi no be tapubia. By your track you can see. So digitalization is supposed to see illegal connection is supposed to check. Poor metering is digitalization. But Aluta. You can't in your fool. This is the scorecard of ECG. My cousin is referring me data. Me the any say data. I'm the bar me change them. Aluta, your technical and commercial losses no 32%. Literally, near TNSA. IPP is the ECG power through grid car. Power na 100 Ghana cedis no. They lose 32 cedis by the time crans on mobile beton.
Me shall say we all can't answer me shall say na mesre because that's about 6-7 years ago. I had an opportunity at my call on my workshop. That time, I almost said this losses was in the region of 22% to 25%. And my assurance is 5 years to come. We said every 5 years be a major review.
Yeah.
See, the next major review, they are looking forward. Say it should come to in the region of 15%.
Yeah.
Now in 15 years' time, they should be doing single digit.
Yeah.
So it's shocking. Say in 2025, in a region of 30%.
This is also from the Energy Commission. Benchmark on the ma woman. 2020 commercial losses by 22.6%.
Yes.
2022, 21.4% had there. This is the scorecard. Did they do that? This is it. Did they do that? So if they are inefficient, basket now will consume gumuno etuya. You've not paused to analyze or fix etuya, but you are fetching water. Does it make sense? Aluta, ni pebe ni bedija. Ejano the 100 cedi koshema. Answer na wo beton ne ma na kura no. What 32 cedis?
That time bia no omo opt for the convenience. Near simple, near convenient because matuto nkane boom. Matuto nkane boom. And the size is so simple.
But you see, Aluta, aside this, till this year, January, inflation is saying now 23.5%.
Yeah.
So if inflation is another indicative factor for you to adjust that,
as espoused in their own document.
As espoused in their own document, as we speak, at least the last time inflation by November from October 8%.
Yes.
So the economic conditions have improved. So what is the justification?
And again, the CD is stable.
Remember January CD no now 14.7. As I may love if I no my brain to my home. But this week it's 11.3. So now ECG have $1 million in January. No, we have 14.7 million cities, and we have 11.3 million cities. So what is the justification? Now the only justification is a ECG on the number B. Oh, public accounts committee.
Yes.
Maybe 189 million cities more. In some cases, OSHA expenditure will almost spend 100% more than Sika Chama. It's one more. Technical and the commercial loss no 32%. Scanka crowns were bar, more the babo bread to IPPs neke Kenny one. Must say diablo. So if you have such an institution, why do you always increase tariffs for them? What is the justification? There's no justification for us to do these things to ourselves. I'm disappointed in PURC. As a question, when the baby is able to, it shouldn't be done. They should make ECG understand, say, they need to fix their internal problems. I look at legal connection, baby. Oh, kwa jimita, sabe, as well kwa visa. At the end of the day, to prepare the revenue, come on, or buy no. The stress I become, adding. All these things must be looked at. All these things must be looked at. New area, boy, you see, you should go son of Mitanako. Ubenya problem from Omoma. All these issues must be looked at. Because of time, the next 2 minutes.
Okay.
My third submission about this is a pictures in here. A friend of Falcom